There you go then, folks. I've made all these at the same time, so I think once I picked up the wrong one. But anyway, so I've got the ones I've put on the plasticard bases, and I've got some on wood or MDF bases that I've joined together, keeping that sort of shape. Not bad for some scrap cards I've got just paid postage for, and some plasticard or card or whatever you can find really. So there's a quick trash bash. They're quite easy to do for the tabletop. Gives me a decent amount there as well. So it took a day. I started it yesterday afternoon, no, Sunday afternoon, so probably about 4 hours worth of work, not including all the drying. I'm feeling very verbal at the moment, so this is the only bit of speaking on the entire video, so sorry about that. If I just jump in at the end, it makes you jump out your skin. I might put some music on the first bit, I haven't decided yet. Yeah, that's it. Easy as that. I did some graffiti, obviously, anarchy symbols. Smeg. That's a Porsche, obviously, Porker. I think I've got Skag on one of them as well. Yeah, Skag. Yeah, it came out really nice. Put some arrows on, they're good as like markers, directions, or just background pieces. You can also make a proper scrapyard almost. Put it together in the right order. There we go. So yeah, there we go then. Catch everyone next time.